In this video, I will show you how to DM in Instagram. So if you are looking to message or direct message someone in Instagram, then follow along with me as I guide you through how to do this. Now, as you can see, we're currently here on Instagram. So the first thing you're going to want to do is find the person that you want to DM. You can do this by pressing onto the search icon at the bottom of the screen in your toolbar. This is going to take you to the Explore page, and what you can do is use the search box at the top and just search for the person that you want to message. So once you've found the person you want to message, what you can do is go ahead and press onto their profile to come across to their profile page. From their profile page, you should see a message button. If you don't see this, then come up to the top right hand corner, press onto the three dots, and you should see an option to message in this menu that comes up. But for this profile, as you can see, we got a message box on their profile. So what I'm going to do is give this a press. As you can see, I've got some chat history, but if this is a new person, of course, it's going to be blank. And then what you can do is come down to the message box at the bottom, give this a press, and then just start typing your message to that person. So you can just type it just like so, and then press the blue send button just here to send your DM through. So that is how to DM in Instagram. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.